She earns $35,000 a year. Last week, she spent $600 on a designer bag. No savings, no emergency fund. But the bag? The bag was non-negotiable. This makes no financial sense. And yet millions of people do exactly this every single day. The reason goes far deeper than money. Psychologists have a name for part of what's happening: terror management theory. It sounds dramatic, but the idea is simple. On some level, humans are aware of their own mortality, and that awareness creates a low hum of anxiety. To quiet it, we reach for things that make us feel significant, permanent, like we matter. A luxury object whispers exactly that. You are important. You are not ordinary. And in a hard, uncertain life, that whisper is worth a lot. Here's the part luxury brands understand better than anyone. They are not selling leather or fabric or metal. They are selling identity. They're selling the version of you that belongs, that has arrived, that is seen. When you buy the logo, you're not buying a product. You're buying a membership card to a club in your own mind. And that's a feeling people will go into debt for, because it answers a question money was never meant to answer. Am I enough? Now here's the twist that breaks the whole illusion. The people actually buying most of the luxury aren't the wealthy. Research consistently shows that a huge share of luxury purchases come from middle and lower income earners, the very people who can least afford them. The truly rich, they often buy quietly or don't bother at all. The loud logos are mostly worn by people trying to look like a wealth they don't have yet, and brands know this precisely. Their marketing doesn't target the rich, it targets the aspiring, the person one rung down who desperately wants to signal they've climbed up. Every campaign is engineered to sell belonging to the people on the outside looking in. It's a perfect trap. The less secure you feel about your status, the more powerfully the logo calls. And the more you spend chasing it, the longer real security stays out of reach. So how do you break free? You separate who you are from what you own. Try this. Before any luxury purchase, ask one honest question. Am I buying this for the object or for the person I'm hoping it makes me? If it's the second answer, the bag will never deliver it. No object can. Real status isn't worn, it's built, quietly, in an account that grows while no one's watching. The bag was never about the bag. Be honest in the comments. Have you ever bought something just to feel like enough? And if this hit home, subscribe. The psychology of money is the most expensive subject no one ever taught us.